My name is Dr. Patel, retired research scientist on Agriculture University in Gujarat. So today the topic of my YouTube is soil health, the secret to higher crop yield. What are the problems of soil health? Soil erosion, deforestation, heavy rains, overgrazing, and deep plowing. Soil degradation, excess chemical fertilizers, monocropping, no crop rotation, stubble burning. Third point, waterlogging and salinity. The farmers are apply over-irrigation, over drainage, canal misuse, so the water becomes saline water. Fourth one, soil pollution, pesticide, industrial waste, plastics, untreated sewage. Fifth one, nutrient deficiency. The farmers are not adding the organic matter. Imbalance, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, wrong soil pH, and no microbes. They are not adding the biofertilizers. And last one, soil compaction. So heavy machinery by using the tractor, overgrazing, bare soil, deep tillage. Your soil is dying. The real cost to Indian farmers, dead soil. So the farmer gets low yield, no income, and farmer crisis. Crop output drops 30 to 40% on degraded land. Farmers spend 2 to 3 times more on fertilizers and water for the same poor results. Income falls below the cost of farming itself. Millions trapped in debt, forced to sell land or migrate. The soil is not just a farming problem. It is an economic emergency for 120 million plus Indian farming families. What are the causes of degraded land? Excess chemical fertilizers and over-irrigation are silently degrading our farmland. The foundation of your farm is under threat. So here you can see that farmer apply chemical fertilizers and waterlog phase. What are the solutions of degraded soil? Sustainable soil management. Here are 6 practices every farmer must know. There are 6 practices. First, test your soil regularly. Before sowing or planting of the crop, the farmers are requested to take the representative soil from the field and carry out the soil testing. And as per the soil test value, they should have to apply the organic manure, chemical fertilizers, and biofertilizer for the balancing of the nutrients in soil. Second one, rotate your crops. You know that in India, the 70% farmers are follow the monocropping. Mostly they are taking the rice, wheat, and fallow. But they should have to take the legume crop, pulse crop, oilseed crop, because that crops add the nitrogens in the soil. Third one, add compost and biofertilizers. So compost, you know that it increase the organic carbon in soil, and biofertilizer application like azotobacter, azosporium, phosphate solution bacteria, they save the 25 to 30% chemical fertilizers, because the biofertilizer helps in increasing the availability of the native as well as applied fertilizers. Fourth one, balance your micronutrient. The farmers would have to requested that they should apply the balanced nutrition. Don't apply this major nutrient, more quantity, or secondary nutrient or micronutrient. But as per the taste of the soil, they should have to apply the balanced nutrition in soil. So plant will take the balanced nutrition and the better growth, and we are getting the higher crop production. Fifth one, apply fertilizer wisely, balanced and efficient application. So it is well known by the research that application of balanced fertilizers and as per the soil test value the farmer get definitely maximum crop productivity and they sustain the soil sustainable for a longer period. Then last one, avoid soil compaction. You know that the farmers are using the heavy implements, using the tractor drawn implements, resulted in soil become compact. So there is poor aeration in the root zone area. The crop become weak and there is not proper growth of the crops. So on the basis of the research that there should be carried out the minimize the tillage operation, so soil become loose and better aeration of the roots. So plant take maximum nutrient from the soil. And last one is keep soil cover. So mulch crop, we have to add in the soil. So there is less evaporation of the water and they maintain the temperature of the soil also. So there are 6 points is very important and if the farmers keep in mind 6 practices, then definitely they improve the soil fertility, resulted in higher crop productivity. Healthy soil means higher yield, better food quality, and a farm that lasts for generations. Farmers are requested to take the expert advice and contact to Dr. B.C. Patel. Thank you very much.